How to send snaps from camera roll as normal snap. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Vasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send snaps from your camera roll as a normal snap. Now suppose you want to send a snap, but not a quick snap, but instead from your gallery, and you want to send it as a normal snap on Snapchat. Here is how you can do it. You want to simply open up Snapchat. Here you'll get an interface like this, and here at the bottom you can see the explore option at the bottom middle there screen. You can see explore icon, right? You want to simply tap on explore there, and what you want to do is on the search bar you want to type in camera roll. If you want to send a video, you want to search in for video camera roll. If you just want to send a quick picture, you want to simply tap on camera roll, and it'll give you to choose a picture from your device. You can see you can simply tap snap option there, and this created, and you can simply tap on send to, and you can send it, and it'll be sent as a quick snap instead of the chat. So this way you can send a normal snap on Snapchat from your camera roll. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.